Supposed to make something like this. Cotton stockings. And what else they have? Buttons. This is what? All the stitching for your clothes. Ah. And this is all the needle and threads on the hand. So this is the measurement. So you need to cut exactly like this. Exactly like this. Give you a ruler as well. Okay. And these are the steps.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Tonight later.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. You have to cut the shape first, is it?
Yeah, later you have to cut at the
Then
stocking.
cut the stocking according to the shape
Like
here.
that. You put your stocking like that. Like that. Oh, cut later. Cut. Draw. Then you can cut. Oh.
You have to cut two sides or one side.
I haven't read yet because I have to cut this thing first. Everything.
Okay, you cut fish. Cut fish. Need to draw the shape. Yay. This is what?
This one.
This one.
This one you cut also.
Okay. This is the ear, is it?
Same one, cut everything.
Okay, this is this. You already.
You cut timer. Oh, my stocking.
And then cut the ear. This one very important now. Pay attention. No need tension.
明白可以 flip 过来耶。
You can flip over lah.
No, flip over like this.
Oh, so you
after
cannot-
after you stitch
oh.
already, it's become like this.
So the marking cannot see one lah.
Ah, kasihan.
Okay. Here comes the thread and needle. Okay, you're supposed to cut at least a few mm outside the marking. This one I think failed already. You cut according to the mark. So you got a very skinny leg later.
我已经剪错了。
This is the 耳朵吗?
This is the hand.
This is the hand. So you flip it to see
我
the
听太塞弄错。
huh? Too small the hand.
The lobang I keep too small. Can lah.
Can later your leg you even wish You use a needle to poke little. No lah, chopstick to poke. This is the hand.
这个手长一点点。
两个手，一个长，一个短。OK 啦，一点不是啦。Still not bad. A little bit longer, a bit shorter. That's the hand. You know now making what?
Yeah.
Here. This one can show to your friend that received your gift.
我都冇意思俾人。
怎么呢？很好看吗？
这是我做一个成功后啊。
Here's the head. So you need to put the ear here and here. Let's see the hand. Is it same or not? Almost. Not bad. Supposed to make something like this. Here's the instructions.
这里跟我的衫係一樣嘅。
Hmm? body is there, 2 hands, the mouth, and the nose comes here, and this is one of the ear. At last, the face is complete with eyebrow, eye, and nose, proper ear, and as clothes is on. But what's the hand? Here's the hand. You stitch the hand on. Yeah, almost there. Almost there.